You can change your job. You can change your skills. You can even change your environment. But you will never change your income until you change your identity level. Today, I reveal a powerful concept you've never heard before, the income identity level. And if you master this, your earning power will transform forever. Segment 1. What is income identity? Income identity is the financial version of your self-concept. It is the internal limit that decides how much you think you deserve, how much you allow yourself to earn, and how much success you feel comfortable receiving. Most people are not blocked by opportunity. They are blocked by their identity ceiling, the highest income their mind believes is normal. VAR chart segment 2. The 3 levels of income identity. Level 1. The survival identity. You earn enough to stay afloat, but never enough to advance. Level 2. The stability identity. You earn enough to be comfortable, but you stop yourself from rising. Level 3. The expansion identity. You earn in alignment with your true potential, not your fears. Your income will always return to the identity level you're stuck in. Like a thermostat, no matter how high money goes, your identity drags it back. Hammer and wrench segment 3. How to raise your income identity level. To lift your income, you must lift your identity. Here are the steps. 1. Break your financial self-image. Challenge the number you call normal. 2. Act beyond your identity. Take actions that the future you would take. 3. Surround yourself with higher identities environments. Upgrade identity faster than effort. 4. Speak in the language of abundance. Identity grows where words grow. Checkered flag. OUTRO. Your income is not waiting for your skill. It's waiting for your identity. Raise your identity level, and the money will rise with you.